Good evening, everyone. I hope you can hear me. Um, so, today we are going to talk about artificial intelligence in pharma marketing and sales. Um, I'm just going to. So, we are looking at different areas where Swalife Biotech is working, and our purpose is that we want to uh, get familiar our audience, the students, the employers, also the users and the patients with what Swalife is doing and how artificial intelligence is getting involved in all the areas and simultaneously how we are going to utilize it. So today's topic is artificial intelligence in pharma marketing and sales. So just to give you a layout, what we are going to discuss today, there are three major things which I want to discuss today. Is the first is the career, pharma marketing and sales. In general, we know that how pharma marketing work and how sales are working, but how AI is changing the AI field and how what type of career opportunities are available. So, with the help of the skill enhancement, what are the areas you can move into? Then we have also designed a Swalife internship under which we are merging the normal pharma marketing and sales into the AI driven one. Um, and then the third thing is that uh, what are the things which are involved in pharma marketing and sale uh, by involvement of the AI. So we will be discussing all these point in today's session. So first to begin with, it is about AI-driven career roles in pharma marketing. So before moving towards the career goals, I just want to emphasize that artificial intelligence is actually changing a lot of things in pharmaceutics, and one of the area, not just the one, actually it is to marketing and sales. Uh, there is a lot of changes happening, new career opportunities are being built. So there is a need that students, the freshers, and even the people who are already working should get familiarized with those areas. And we are going to see them one by one. So, data science in pharma marketing is one of the area where you can actually work creating predictive models for patient outcomes and drug efficacy, which will help in optimizing marketing strategies. Here you are using machine learning techniques where the big data is available from the clinical and from the marketing databases, which will help to identify the trends and the insight for specific target market, the campaign which you want to run. And real-time analyticals can be done to monitor drug performance and also the marketing dynamics. So this is the first area. The second one is the AI powered cell representatives. So here, like AI is going to analyze physician profiles and the past interaction, which is going to suggest some tailed talking point and product recommendation. So initially, in the previously before AI, physician profile was analyzed by the marketing or salesperson based on what they discuss, and then next time what they have done previously, they were actually going and recommending the product. But with the AI involvement, now you can actually analyze the profile of the physician, and then you can recommend the product. Also, during the meeting, you can actually get some real-time AI assistants, which can provide some relevant studies about your product, which will also give you the data. and it will help to answer some of the physician questions accurately. So that can be done. Then follow-up meeting, AI can actually generate personalized follow-up content and also schedule timing. So these things can be done, and that is going to help the marketing, the sales representative, marketing representative. So it is very important those skills are developed, so that way they can actually utilize AI into their into their work profile. The next area is the marketing strategist. Uh, so utilizing AI, you can actually forecast campaign performance across different channels of the social media. So that way you can allocate the budget. So it will help us to develop the marketing strategies. So based on that, you can predict the return on investment. Then also you can develop personalized content, which can actually drive you know the traffic, and it will help to diversify the healthcare professional segment. In addition to that, you can also doing dynamic pricing strategies under this, where you can utilize AI algorithm for real-time pricing adjustment, which will help in the maximizing the revenue. The next one is the AI ethical officers, where data privacy, algorithms, transparency in AI decision making, and ethical AI training is a part of the AI ethical officer. Next is the AI enhanced medical science license. So these are the people who are utilizing scientific knowledge, in the real time. Then they're also engaging with the physicians, and also giving clinical trial insights, which will be based on the AI processing. So these license officers are important in a lot of countries. This is completely a separate field which is already there, but utilizing AI, it is going to provide real-time research and information, and even data, which is going to be useful for the um, product marketing and sales. Next one is the customer experience architect, where like AI chatbot are going to be designed, the skills needed. Then you are going to personalize the user journey, where you are going to create AI-driven personalized experience across the touch point, which are going to help in the engagement of the patient and also the healthcare. And you are going to with the help of AI powered analytic, you are going to also analyze the behavior of the patients and of the customers. There are different AI integrated specialists, like um, assessing existing pharma tech stack, identifying integration policies, plan migration strategies. So with all these, you are going to be utilize the AI to integrate into your marketing and research. These are some of the areas which I came across, and I think there is change happening in marketing and sales. The normal marketing and sales is going on, but in addition to the AI, there is a lot of specialization, personalization is going to happen. So the future of the AI role in pharma marketing and sales is going to be continuous evolving, where you need to adopt different technologies. So it is going to help with that. Then there is a human AI collaboration need to be happen, where synergetic between human expert and AI capacity will be used. So soft skill will be becoming more increasingly valuable. Ethical consideration, the governance will be crucial for this, where new role will be focusing on the responsibility of AI use. And then there is a cross-functional integration, where AI role will be increasingly bridge multiple departments. So these future AI roles are going to be happening. So with the evolution of the AI, and with the important role of marketing and sales, we have actually incorporated the sales and marketing internship. The both are different. Sale interns are there, and marketing in terms of there. If we are not mixing together, they will be separately, uh, you know, um, can come on board as an internship. So it is a 3 month to 6 month internship where it is a in hybrid mode. Mostly we will be happy if the person is in the Pune city, but simultaneously anybody from their own city can do that. We have designed in such a way that it will be helpful for anybody to do it. The key responsibilities of sales and marketing income is same what is there previously, but yes, in addition to what we discussed, there will be some incorporation of those um, skill into the marketing and sales, which will help in the content delivering, market researching, then customer acquisition, campaign management, order management, and the reporting part will be there. So with all these key responsibilities, we are expecting the qualification will be in business marketing, but those degrees with the help of the science background will be more helpful. Need to have a strong communication and interpersonal skill, writing skills need to be there. Simultaneously, Microsoft Office and CRM tools will be preferred, but most of the things the student are going to go on the live project and they will learn as you go. But most important thing is that they should be passionate, interested in health, wellness, or biotech industry. So that is what we are expecting. So what we are offering is that, as I said, that it will be a practical on the live project. You will be engaging in sales and marketing, where public engagement will be there. You will be explore to the innovative projects in health and wellness industry. We will provide you mentorship and also completion of certificate will be given. It will be 3 months to 6 months. A potential candidate will be further considered for the employment. To apply for this internship, you can email your covering letter and resume to info@swalabiotech.com. So now we're coming to the main topic, that is how AI in marketing and sales is changing the industry. It is actually transferring the pharmaceutical marketing and sale by enhancing customer engagement. When we say customer engagement, it is about doctors, it is about the actual patient. It is helping in optimizing strategies and also helping in driving unprecedented growth. So with this, role of this AI in pharma marketing and sales, we are going to see some of the areas where they are actually playing important role, and we will, go as of to all these skills simultaneously. How Swal Life is utilizing, we will be discussing that. The first is the enhanced customer segment, where traditional methods is utilized in the customer segments. But what was happening? There was limited insight into customer behavior. So area wise there was limitation in the customer behavior. Then AI powered segmentation came, where there is complete vast data which helps identifying the patterns in the customer behavior, and it can then create a hyper target marketing campaign, and based on that the results are actually increasing the engagement rate. It is also improving the return on investment of the marketing spending, and having more personalized customer experience. AI is also helping in predictive analyticals in sales forecast. So data collection, it can help to gather a lot of historical sale data, and then help in the marketing trend and external factors. Um, Pattern recognition can be done utilizing machine learning algorithm to identify the complex pattern between the product and the sales, and it can develop a correlation between that data. Based on that, we can accurately forecast the sales, which will help into the marketing and sales. So with the help of the predictive analyticals, forecast can be done. The next is the chatbots are used for customer care, like 24/7 availability can be provided uh, with the AI powered chatbot, which can actually provide support to the healthcare professionals and also the patients. It can also give you the instant response based on the data which is feed for the product or for the disease. It is going to deliver immediate answers to some of the common queries, and it's going to improve the customer satisfaction. In addition to that, the chatbots are also collecting data. So that data is going to be valuable data for improvising the services and the product. And it is going to be very cost effective because it is reducing the need for large customer service team, which is actually lowering the operational cost. So AI driven content creations are happening where personalized messages are sent to the customer, and based on that, you can actually tailor your marketing content for different segment. Simultaneously, multiple channels are used to deliver the content. And in addition to this, what is happening is that regulatory compliance are taken care, and strict adherence to those regulatory compliance is being obeyed by the pharmaceutical industry. So there is rapid production where AI significantly reduce the time and resource which is required to create the marketing material. Sentimental analysis can be done for the brand monitoring, where the data can be collected from different social media platform, and with the help of the machine learning algorithm, the sentimental analysis is done to categorize the sentiment of the people into positive, negative, or neutral, which will help into identification of the trends, and a potential issue which is affecting the brand can be identified. So then action plan can be designed which can actually help in the improvement of the brand imaging and addressing the concern. In addition to this, one of the the area career role we have seen is that AI sales representative. Here, the sales representative can be assist with AI, where they can utilize AI to optimize the route. So planning can be done to identify efficient travel route, which can help in the maximizing the productivity time. Then smart scheduling can be done based on the previous data of the meetings. In addition to that, personalized pitching can be done where we can actually tell the talk for the healthcare professional based on the previous interaction or with the new interaction. And real-time analytical, as I said earlier, that you can actually have real-time literature or data which can be showed the insight regarding the product, and a helpful discussion can be done with the healthcare provider. Now, all this is actually helping in delivering the precision medicine. So, precision medicine marketing uh, will also be part of this. So, Swal Life is actually working on precision herbal formulation. So, delivering a product by doing marketing or sales in precision way will be more useful. And in that case, patient data analysis utilizing AI, where genetical and clinical data can be identified for specific patient group, and a treatment match can be done utilizing the machine learning algorithm for matching patient with the most effective treatment. So with all these genetic clinical data and treatment matching, targeted marketing is also happening where personalized marketing strategies can be done for these specific groups which are matched utilizing the genetic and clinical data. So precision marketing is one of the area which will be growing, and with help of this targeted marketing, we will be utilizing the AI to monitor treatment efficacy, which will be like continuously going to help in the marketing and also in the treatment approach. Now, in with this information about precision marketing, there is a major role of AI in market assessment strategies as well, where data integration, where AI is actually combining different data sets, which will be using pricing, regulation, and healthcare systems worldwide. With this data, machine learning simulations can be done to look at the market accession scenarios and can predict the outcome. Utilizing the data and scenarios, strategy optimization can be done where AI can recommend optimum pricing and market entry strategy for each region. So it's not only about the marketing sales, but it is also to access the market, and that also based on the strategy can be done utilizing the data from the different databases where pricing, regulation, and the the healthcare system of that area is utilized and a strategy is developed. Now, AI also enhance the customer relationship management, where data centralization can be done, where AI will be integrated into customers' data from multiple sources, from different platforms, and those data is going to be analyzed. The interaction analysis will be done utilizing the machine algorithm, and the pattern of those customer interaction will be developed by analyzing them. Once you got those analysis, a predictive insight, that is the forecast of the customer, can be done, which will help in the identifying the potential issues if there are any which will arise. So that will be done. So predictive insights can be identified, and then based on this, there will be start of the automated engagements. So like system will be triggering the personalized engagement action between the based on the customer behavior, and based on that you can actually start developing a customer relationship based on the customer behavior. So just I gave you an example of the customer behavior. So like when the sales people are calling the customer, voice can be recorded, and based on that the voice analyticals can be done to identify the emotions. So those like voice tones of the customer will be useful, but simultaneously the keyword which they are using will be analyzed to identify the frequently used words or phrases, and this will give us the detailed performance report for that sales representative. And based on that, training recommendation for that team member can be done, based which will be helpful to improve the further marketing sales. AI is also helpful in the competitive intelligence, where they can compare different competitors and the trend of that company with the key products. Now, in addition to this, personalized email marketing can be also done. So, in case of the healthcare in our countries, many countries, it is the pharmacist or direct the patient or the customer. In our case, most of the healthcare product are going through the doctor. So, as a company, our main target customer is the doctor. Simultaneously people are also using directly. So data personalized email can be utilized, where AI can actually get customer data to understand the individual preferences and behavior. So like when the customer visit to the pharmacy, or when they buy from the online, they actually filling the information, and that data can be utilized for further interaction. So content generation can be done, which will then send personalized email content to the doctor or to the customer based on the information which they have provided. Then it is also going to help to identify the best time to send those email, which will help in the maximizing the engagement. And it is also going to track the performance of those email, which will be further then refined for further campaign. So with direct email marketing also, personalized information, personalized contact can be done utilizing the AI. Now, in addition to this, dynamic pricing strategies can be done with the help of the market analysis, where continuous monitoring of the market will be done to identify the competitors' price and any fluctuation which can be happening due to the the market product. So those pricing optimization will be done with the help of the machine learning algorithm, which will help in suggesting the pricing strategies for different market. And with this, it is going to help in the creating potential impact of those pricing change on the sales and also the market share. With the dynamic pricing role of AI, AI is also useful in the enhancing the sales training. So personalized training can be done where virtual role playing, real time feedback can be utilized to develop the training process. But in addition to that, the skill gap analysis, the system identifies the skill gap between different sales team and also different marketing, which will help in suggesting the improvement in the team. In addition to this, AI is also helpful in predicting the lead score. So, based on the data input, the data which has been collected, that data input, potential leads from various sources can be identified, which will help into the identification of the patterns in those lead, utilizing the machine learning and also the previous conversations. And based on that, the score calculation will be done, which will help in the probability scoring of those leads. So those lead which have interacted, possibilities of those lead getting converted into the sales or maybe coming out can be done. And based on this, automation can be done between the sales team and the AI. So it will be helpful for the future follow-ups. AI is helpful in analyzing the marketing trend, where data will be can be collected utilizing the scientific publication, clinical trial, and marketed reports, which will then show the different trends which are happening between different products. So, if you look at when we are developing personalized herbal formulations, so to identify the trend, scientific publication where we are using network pharmacology, then clinical trials are utilized, and also we are creating market reports which will help us to identify the trends. And based on those trends, we can evaluate the impact of those trends in the pharmaceutical market. And based on that, we are designing our own strategies to utilize those identified trends. So this type of things can be utilized using the AI driven strategy. Internet is already there, but with the AI, this information is now getting more faster to access. And or in addition to that, um, social media management is getting automated, where different posting times can be identified for some of the targeted audience, and based on that, automated responses can be utilized, and that will help in the performance. So real time insight on the social media campaign can be identified, and a social media management can be automated. AI also help in the product launching planning, where market assessment is done to identify market condition and competitive activities, which will help in the predicting different markets and segments. So with that we can actually look at the forecast, and based on this we can actually optimize the allocation of the marketing and sales resources for the maximum impact. Now, in addition to this, one of the area which I'm mentioning here, because with the marketing and sales, we mostly think about pitching our product, and then getting sales and revenue. But in addition to that, Swalife actually have focused more on looking at the pharmacovigilance, that is drug safety side, where safety monitoring will be done, and we were actually working on the automation monitoring, where continuous scanning of various data sources and developing our own data sources, so that way safety signaling can be done and a patterns can be recognized to identify if there are any adverse event reported previously or any reported in the ongoing processes. So we will evaluate the potential risk, and based on that, if there is any alert, the alert will be given, and a significant uh, safety concerns will be taken further. So we are actually making it sure that all this process will be handled properly. So with all these AI driven activities, there are multi-channel marketing happening, where all AI unifies data from various marketing channel. So channel integration is happening, and then based on this channel integration, journey mapping is done, which will help in tracking the customer, and the analysis of the customer interaction is done to understand the customer journey. Based on this, dynamic content delivery will be done, where AI selects and deliver the most relevant content for that each channel and the customer. So with this, we actually at the end, where we discuss about the role of artificial intelligence in pharma marketing and sales. I also discuss about different areas which are generated due to this, and we also discuss about the internship which we are providing. So it is very important that you move into these areas and understand what skills are important, because the area is going to grow faster and there will be need to have these skills in future. So if there are any questions relevant to what we discussed, definitely I am happy to answer. Thank you. Okay, so if there are no any questions, I will see you with the next topic, and we can have a questions there. If you want to join the internship, you can email your CV. If there are any question, you can comment below the video. Thank you.